This is a series of small conversations for beginners. Listen to this conversation and apply it in your daily life. I'm sure it will greatly help you.
Hi, Peter. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Have you come with your mother?
No, today my dad took me to here.
Okay, that's good. I was waiting for you.
I want to ask some questions from you. Would you like to answer?
Of course, I would.
Last day you asked me about my school, my day routine, and so on. But you didn't tell me anything about yourself.
Wow, that's great. I would be happy to tell you about my life. Because I want you to be my friend forever.
Okay, tell me about your likes and dislikes.
There are many things I like and many things I dislike. What are you talking about?
Do you like short hair or long?
I mostly keep long hair. But I don't dislike short hair.
What color do you like in clothes?
I wear any colors, but I always wear fashionable clothes.
Great, that sounds impressive. What kind of shoes do you use?
I use slippers at home. I wear sneakers when I go out to play. And I have specific formal boots for school.
Do you use sunglasses?
Yes, I use sunglasses when the sun is shining. My dad is very cautious about eyesight. He always reminds me to wear sunglasses when I go out on a sunny day.
That's good. We must take care of our health. What do you do in your free time?
I spend time with my family.
How many members do you have in your family?
There are 5 members in my family: Dad, Mom, Emily, me, and my little brother John.
Do you have a little brother?
Yes, he is very cute. He is 6 months old.
Wow, I will play with him. I love babies. Would your mother let me play with him?
Of course, she will. But you must be very careful while playing with him.
Do you like babies?
Nothing much, but I love my baby brother.
What kind of food do you like, spicy or mild?
I like mild food.
Do you eat spicy curry?
I eat sometimes, but not always.
Do you try new foods?
I often try new dishes from different cuisine.
Do you like Italian food?
Of course, I do. Italian cuisine stands at the top of the world's best cuisines.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I do. My school is one of the best schools in the city. I always stand first in the class.
Wow, well done. Is your school near your home?
Not very near, it's on 2 miles distance.
Do your sister Emily read in the same school?
Yes, we go to school together.
Is Emily elder than you?
Yeah, she is 8 years old, and I'm 5.
Do Emily help you in your studies?
Yes, she is very helpful.
Have Emily come here with you?
No, she stayed at home with Mama.
Does she help her mama in the kitchen?
She is not so big yet. She plays with my baby brother.
What is the occupation of your dad?
He is a software engineer.
What do you want to become when you grow up?
I want to become an astronaut when I grow up.
It's a very adventurous career, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. I like adventures.
Do you take private tuition?
No, I just get tuition at school. My mother and Emily help me to do homework.
Where do you go on weekends?
I go to the beach. I love the lapping water of the ocean that hits the shore.
Can you swim?
Yes, I'm a good swimmer. Whenever I go to the beach, I enjoy swimming into the warm water of the ocean.
Well, thanks for giving me company. My mom is waiting for me. I should go now.
Okay, bye.
This is our second conversation. Now we are friends. We would have conversation on every alternate days. In the next conversation, my mother will meet Elsa's mother. If you want to listen to the conversation, be in touch with Easy English with HK. I hope you've liked the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.